Yes.
Got it.
January, add 6 equals to add 10 less 4. Tell me 5 problems. First problem,
Add 8
add 8
plus 5.
less 5,
Add 8.
add 8. How to add 8?
Add 8 equals to add 10 less 3. Add less 2.
Okay. That's it. Problem completed.
Yes, ma'am.
నిన్నట్లాగా నేను
Okay. Answer is 11. All the others, please mute yourself. Second problem, Sharvari. Add
Add 3.
2, add 10 less 4. Add.
Add 3.
Okay.
Add 6.
Add 6 directly.
Add 7.
Add 7 equals to.
Add 10 less 3.
Very good. Next.
Add 9.
Add 9 equals to.
Add 10 plus 1.
Very good. Answer is
25.
25. Very good. All the others, listen carefully. I may ask question to anybody. Everyone look at the screen and listen carefully. Next problem.
Add 9.
Add 9.
Add 6.
Add 6 equals to.
Add 10 less 4.
Okay. Next.
Add 4
Add 4
plus 7.
less 7. Answer is
12.
very good. Next problem.
Add 4.
Add 4.
Add 6.
Add 6 equals to.
Add 10 less 4.
Okay. Next. Everyone look at the screen.
Add 4
Add 4
plus 2.
less 2. Answer is
12.
very good, Nana. 5 problems completed.
No, ma'am. One more problem is there, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Add 8
Add 8
plus 1.
less 1.
Add 8.
Add 8 equals to.
Add 10 less 2.
Very good. Next.
Add 3.
Add 3. Answer is
18, ma'am.
yes. Very good, Sharvari. Next. Who is next? Add 5 equals to. Add 10 less 5. Rishi, I think. Rishi, page number 26, book B. Tell me 5 problems.
Okay, ma'am. Add 7.
Add 7.
Add 5.
Add 5 equals to. Tell me how to add 5.
Add 5 equals to less 5. Add 10.
Add 10 less 5. Add 5 equals to. First add 10, then less 5. Next.
Less 5. Add 9.
Add 9 equals to.
Add 10 less 1.
Okay, answer is
21.
very good. Next problem.
Add 6.
Add 6.
Add 5.
Add 5 equals to.
Add 10 less 5.
Very good. Next.
Add 1.
Add 1. Answer is
12.
very good. Next problem.
Add 5.
Add 5.
Add 1.
Add 1
Less 4. Less 4.
equals to.
Less
Tell me how to do less 4.
Less 4 equals to add 1 less 5.
Less 5 add 1. Yes, answer is
2.
very good. One more problem.
Add 3.
Add 3.
Add 2.
How to add 2?
Add 10.
Hey, 5 complement is available here. 5 bit is available. Add 2 equals to.
Add 5
Yes.
less 2.
Less 3. Add 2 equals to add 5 less 3.
5 less 2.
Next. Add 5.
Add,
Again add 5. How to add 5?
add 5 is equals to add 10 less 5.
Very good. Answer is 10. Very good, Nana. Who is next? Page number 28. Unmute yourself. Book B, page number 28. Hruti.
Add 8
Add 8. Everyone listen carefully.
less 2.
Less 2.
Add 4.
Add 4. How to add 4?
Add 4 equals to add 10 less 6.
Very good. Answer is
10.
very good. Next problem.
Add 6.
Yes.
Add 2.
Add 2 directly. Next.
Add 4 equals to add 5 less 6.
Huh? Add 4 equals to?
Add 10 less 6.
Yes. Add 10 less 6. Answer is
12.
very good. Next problem.
Add 9.
Add 9.
Add 4.
Add 4 equals to?
Add 10 less 6.
Less 6. Next.
Add 8.
Add 8 equals to?
Add 10 less 2.
Okay. Answer is?
21, ma'am.
Yes. Next problem.
Add 2.
Add 2.
Add 6.
Add 6 equals directly. Next.
Add 8.
Add?
Ma'am,
Huh.
add 6, ma'am.
Okay. Add
Add
8.
8.
How to add 8?
Add 8 equals to add 10 less 2.
Okay. Next.
Add 4.
Okay. Answer is?
14.
Okay. Next problem.
Add 4.
Add 4.
Add 6.
Add 6 equals to?
Add 10 less 4.
Very good. Next.
Add 8.
How to add 8?
Directly, ma'am.
Okay. Answer is?
18.
Very good. Very good. Who is next? Who is next? Page number 38 in book A. Who is next? Tejas, unmute yourself. Yeah, tell me the problems. Add 3 equals to add 10 less 7.
Add 2.
Add 2.
Add 6.
Add 6.
Add 3.
Add 3 equals to?
Add 10 less 7.
Okay. Answer is?
Answer is 11.
Okay, next.
Add 9.
Add 9.
Less 2.
Less 2.
Add 5.
Add 5.
Add 5
How to?
is equal to. Add 5 is equal to add 10 less 5.
Okay.
Add 5.
Yes, yes.
Add 8. Add 8.
How to add 8?
Add 8 is equal to add 10 less 2.
Okay, answer is?
20.
Okay, next problem.
Add 2.
Add 2.
Add 4.
Add 4. How to add 4?
Add 4 is equal to add 5 less 1.
Okay.
Add 5.
Add 5.
Add 5 is equal to add 10 less 5.
Very good. Answer is 11. 5 problems completed.
No, ma'am. More 2 problems there, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me one more problem, Nana.
Alright.
Huh?
Add 8.
Okay.
Add 8. Add
Again.
3.
Add 3 equals
Add 3. Add 10 less 7.
Okay.
Add 6.
Add 6. Answer is?
17.
Yes.
Last problem, ma'am.
Okay, tell
Add
me.
3.
Add 3.
Add 6.
Add 6.
Add 3.
How to add 3?
Add 3 is equal to add 10 less 7.
Okay. Next.
Add 5. Add
Add
5.
5. Answer is?
17.
Very good, Tejas. Who is next, Nana? Page number 14, book A. Add 2 equals to add 10 less 8. Who is next?
Ma'am.
Who is
Yes,
next?
ma'am.
Michelle?
Ma'am, page number 40, ma'am, book A.
Okay. Kushal, tell me. Kushal, tell me 3 problems, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Add 9.
You are saying add 2 equals to add 10 less 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Add 9
Plus 1.
less 1.
Add 3.
How to add 3?
Add 3 equals to add 10 less 7.
Very good. Answer is 11. Next.
Add 8.
Add 8.
Add 2.
Add 2. How to add
Add 2 equals to add 10 less 8.
Okay. Next.
Add 5.
Add 5. Answer is 15. Next.
Yes, ma'am. Add 8.
Add 8.
Add 2. Add 2 equals to add 10 less 8.
Okay.
Add 9.
Add 9.
Add 6. Add 6 equals to add 10 less 4.
Okay. Very good. Answer is 25. Who is next? Nischal, I think.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Nischal, 3. Tell me 3 problems, Nana. Add 1 equals to add 10 less 9.
Ma'am,
Page number
add 5.
Add 5. Okay.
Add 4.
Add 4.
Add 2.
Add 2. How to add 2?
Ma'am, add 2 equals to add 10 plus 8.
Okay. Next.
Add 7.
Next problem.
No, ma'am, add 7.
Okay. Add 7.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done.
The
Okay.
answer is
Okay.
18, ma'am.
Next problem.
Add 2.
Add 2.
Add 8.
Add 8 equals to.
Add 8 equals to add 10 less 2.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am,
Huh?
add 3.
Add 3.
Ma'am,
Wait.
ma'am,
Nana. Wait. Add 3. Completed, Nischal?
add 5.
Add
Ma'am,
5.
add 5, ma'am.
Okay. Answer is?
18, ma'am.
Tell me one more problem in add 1.
Add 7.
Add 7.
Add 9.
Add 9 equals to.
Add 9 equals to. Add 9 equals to. Add 10 less 1.
Okay. Next.
Add less 2.
Less 2 equals to.
Less 2 equals to.
Take less 5
Less
complement.
5 add 3. Less 5 add 3.
Very good. Answer is 14. Very good. Very good, Nischal. Who is next?
Ma'am, me.
Yeah. Josnika, tell me. Page number 32 in book B.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me 3.
Add
How much?
8.
Add 8. All the others, listen carefully. Look at the screen. Someone switch.
Add 8.
Teja, switch
Add
off
8.
your video.
Add 6.
Add 6. How to add 6?
Add 6 is equals to add 10
Add 10.
Less 4.
Less 4. Less 4 is not there. So less 5 complement is called. Less 4 equals to less 5. Add 1. Okay, na? Next,
Yes,
Ika.
Add 6.
Add 6 equals to.
Ma'am, add 6 done, ma'am. Add 9.
Add 9 equals to.
Add 9 is equals to add 10 less 1.
Okay. Answer is.
23.
Okay. Next problem. Mixed complements. Very, very important. Listen carefully, everyone. Kruti, Tejas, Nischal. Everyone, listen carefully. Kushal.
Add 8
Add 8.
less 1.
Less 1.
Add 5.
How to add 5?
Add 5 is equals to add 10.
Add 10?
Add 10 less 5.
Yes. Answer is 12. Next
12.
problem.
Add 5.
Add 5.
Add 6.
Add 6 equals to.
Add 6 is equals to add 10 less 4.
Less 4 equals to.
Less 4 is equals to add 10 less 6.
Less 4 equals to less 5 complement చెప్పునానా ఇక్కడ less 5 ఉంది కదా.
Yes. Add 4 is equals to add
Add
5.
4 కాదు less 4 చేయాలి మనం. నువ్వు add 6
Okay.
చేస్తున్నావు. add 6 equals to add 10 less 4. less 4 ఇంకా చేయలే నేను ఇక్కడ. less 4 కి
Yes.
బీట్స్ లేదు. 5 బీట్ అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. సో less 5 కాంప్లిమెంట్ తీసుకోవాలి.
Less 5. Add 1.
Yes, less 4 equals to less 5, add 1. Next, add 8.
Add 8.
Directly add 8. Answer is?
No, ma'am. Not 8, ma'am.
You are saying third problem only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's 8, ma'am.
Yes. Answer is 19.
Ma'am. Add 8.
Okay, done. Tell me one more problem. Add 8.
Add 8. Add 6.
Add 6 equals to?
Add 6 is equals to add 10 less 4.
Less 4. How to do less 4 here?
Add less 5.
Yes.
Add 1.
Yes. Next. Less 2.
Less 2.
Answer is 12. Very good, Josnika. Very good, Nana. Everyone completed, right? Any doubt? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please let me know. No doubt, right? Okay, we have done. Add 6, add 5, add 4, add 3, add 2, add 1. And mixed complements also we have done. Okay?